Yeah, get a picture of her looking in the mirror.
Oh, the Build-A-Bears from your mom.
Oh.
Mine is a bunny.
Oh, yeah?
And hers is a bear. Isn't it?
Uh-huh, pretty.
I thought it was a bunny.
Here you go.
You do this one, Kate.
Okay.
Wiggle.
I love to move and wiggle, wiggle. Wave my hands and wiggle, wiggle. Kick my feet and wiggle.
You have to try it.
Oh, she found a new favorite, didn't she?
Look! Look! It comes apart and then look, it sits right back on. See?
Oh, that's the microphone, isn't it?
Yeah, I don't know. I think that one's a winner.
We should open that one
Here, you hold it and I'll put it in, okay?
up. Okay.
Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and ears, shoulders, knees and
Ladies.
Look at that.
Now what do we do with this?
Hi.
Well, you have to put it on her pants.
Kelly, is this your camera?
No, that's ours. You can take some with it though.
It's still on. You want me to turn it
No, that's all right.
I set Megan's down someplace.
off? Yeah. Megan's was right there. Right there.